Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo AI for beginners. How to create amazing images for free text to image AI using of this tool. So make sure you will have logged in easily, and after you will just sign up and you will see the dashboard of like this, and you will just simply tap on it image creation button which is center, and I will just tap on it simply. So I will be just give them a prompt example like a fantasy landscape, and I will just give them prompt, and make sure you will just remove the previous one, and I will just tap on it generate option. So here you will see I will just give them prompt to create an amazing images for free text to image using AI powered. So this is a tool which is called Leonardo.ai. This is the best and amazing tool to create amazing images. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.